The Klipsch FLEXUS-200 soundbar is a premium 3.1.2 sound system designed to bring immersive, high-fidelity audio right into your living space. Make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to get this soundbar at the latest price available. This sound system masterfully combines Klipsch's legendary acoustic design with Onkyo's electronic expertise, delivering a full, rich sound experience that elevates your home entertainment. Featuring dual upfiring drivers alongside a horn-loaded center channel, the soundbar produces clear dialogue and immersive effects that bring movies and music to life. The system also includes two powerful FLEXUS 10 SUB subwoofers, each equipped with a 10-inch driver and an 80-watt RMS amplifier, providing deep, impactful bass without taking up much space. The quick wireless connection means you can place these subwoofers wherever suits your room best, creating a clean, clutter-free setup. Complementing the soundbar and subwoofers are the FLEXUS-SURROUND 3-inch full-range speakers, which deliver stunning 3D surround sound for a truly cinematic experience. Installation is straightforward with the tabletop mounting option and simple controls, allowing the system to seamlessly integrate into any room decor. Hidden power controls and subtle LED indicators maintain a sleek, modern aesthetic without distraction. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or listening to your favorite music, this Klipsch sound system provides a dynamic and enveloping audio environment. In addition to its superior sound performance, the FLEXUS-200 soundbar boasts a wide frequency response up to 20 kHz and supports HDMI eARC connectivity, ensuring compatibility with the latest TVs and devices for high-quality audio transmission. Overall, this sound system balances power, precision, and style, making it a perfect upgrade for anyone seeking an enhanced home audio experience.